Okay, at this time we're going to take a good look right now at the major triads, and we're going to look at two keys. Okay, a major triad contains the first, third, and fifth note, or otherwise referred to at times as degrees of the major scale. Let me show you exactly how they're formed. Okay, so we take the scale, C scale. We take the first, the third, and the fifth degree, or note of the major scale. That forms the C major triad. And we're also going to be looking at the F major triad. So there's the first, third, and the fifth. Now, an important element with the major triads, you do not have to know the major scales to learn the major triads. It's strictly memorization right at this time. Okay, so what we're going to look at, we're going to walk through levels, level 1 through level 6 on this page here. It's really it's kind of nice the way I laid it out, because what's going to happen is you really will learn those three parts of the major triads. Unlike typically, sometimes the process of learning would be to look at the shape, and people learn that shape. And not always are they really paying attention to what the third is or what the fifth is. And in my case here, I'm going to prove to have you learn them so much better than ever before. You're going to really be able to see, what the third is of each key and what the fifth is, and you will learn it, and it will stay with you forever. And it's something you can use. The thirds will be used later on in improvisation and harmony. Same with the fifth. So these important elements of the chords, this way of practicing it, going through level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, are really kind of fun, and it will get you up, and really, it won't take all that much time, because this is the very beginning presentation of major triads. I want to get you comfortable with each of the levels, level 1 through 6, as our first introduction here, and then after this lesson we'll be adding some more major triads to learn. Okay, let's take a look right now. We're going to walk through level 1 on the C and the F major triad. Here we go. So we're starting off, first of all, your left hand is going to be playing what I refer to as the root. So you're playing a C. You can play a C down here, okay? So you play a C, and you can hold that for 2 beats. Be like 1, 2, and then over here, the third in the right hand. 3, 4. Now to F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C again. You can play a low C. 1, 2, 3, 4. F. 1, 2. Get the idea? Okay? So all you're doing here is, if you wanted to have a metronome, you could set the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get comfortable there with the thirds. Once you're comfortable there, you're going to go on to the root, then to the fifth. Okay? So go like this. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth of C is the G. Fifth of F is the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the function with a metronome would be very helpful. Okay, a metronome is not essential, though, part of practicing. It will help. It will help push you a little bit, and you can set the tempo anywhere from 50, 55, 60 beats per minute, upwards to presenting a challenge for yourself. So you can have 2 beats, 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on the select degree. If you don't have a metronome available, just count out loud. So you're really getting used to playing 2 beats and then 2 beats. Level 2 now is we just did the root, the third, root, and the fifth. Now level 3, we're going to combine, alternate the 3 and then the fifth. Watch this. So C, starting off with the third. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, third, F, fifth. Now go to the C with the fifth. It's all switching back and forth. 1, 2, 3, F the third, C the fifth, F the third. What you don't want to have happen, you don't want to be playing them close. You don't want to be looking at this as being the major triad. You want to know these by separating them in the hands. Gives you a better feel for what each individual degree is. Then the next thing is really exciting. Is you go in ascending and descending thirds. So all you're going to do here is you're going to go C to E. I'm going to run out of screen here, so I'm just going to go do it quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, go up to the third. C, go higher with the third. F, go higher with the third. C, go higher with the third. F, higher with the third. C higher with the third. Now I'm coming back down. F with the third, C with the third, F with the third, C with the third, F with the third, C with the third. And you can feel free to play any of these left-hand notes here. Okay? So that was the ascending thirds. The same thing's going to hold for the descending, ascending and descending fifths. C, okay, and F, fifth, C, fifth. And I'm going to work my way back down now. F, fifth, C, fifth. Then you're going to alternate. C, the third, F, the fifth, C, the third, F, the fifth, C, the third, F coming down the fifth, C, the third, F, the fifth, C, the third, and you can switch those around. So by going up, it forces you to keep, the next note has to go higher and higher and higher until you run out of space on the piano. Then you can work your way back down. Enjoy the major triads. Get comfortable with each of these levels. You will know them when you finish. Good luck.